Alright, today we're going to be doing a bracket for best fan base. If you guys find a better bracket filter, please let me know. There's not many. This is the only one that I found. Alright, best fan base. Let's go. Florida's been good recently, but I really like Seattle fans. They're very nice, very passionate, and good. Hurricanes fans, if you guys know me, I don't like Hurricanes fans at all. They're just bandwagons and only join the team when it's good. They had one of the worst attendance until their team turned good. Boston, definitely. Edmonton versus Montreal. Montreal is very passionate. We got to go Montreal. Minnesota versus LA. Let's go LA. Seattle versus Montreal. Montreal. Boston, LA. We got to go Boston. Best fan base. Boston fans, you love them or hate them. Montreal fans, you hate them or you're a Habs fan. Best fan base. I got to go Montreal because Boston has more than one sport in their city that is big and passionate.
The third pick in the 2003 NBA draft, the Denver Nuggets select Carmelo Anthony.
You are watching a legend.
I'm just excited. I bring a lot to the court. Basketball is a game of fun. If you ain't having fun, then there's no need for you to be playing.
Carmelo Anthony had the complete game as a rookie.
Carmelo Anthony with that half smile going like, hey, I'm just getting warmed up. Anthony drives underneath. Carmelo Anthony putting on a show. Oh, a sensational move by Carmelo Anthony. Carmelo Anthony, a little vintage Melo.
This guy, folks, is a scorer's scorer.
Pure score. The game is easy when the ball is in the hands of Melo.
That's what this guy does. He's a big-time scorer.
Iverson to Melo, alley-oop.
Oh! 24 years in the making. Denver's headed to the Western Conference Finals. Melo! Oh, wow!
Along with Kobe and LeBron, Dwayne Wade, one of the toughest guys in the league to guard, Carmelo Anthony.
Yeah, if you mention the top guys in the league and not mentioning my name, I don't think you should.
Anthony, played by James. Anthony with the shot. Yes! 10 seconds to go. Carmelo launches.
Anthony lighting up Madison Square Garden and chanting and enthralling the crowd.
Anthony's going to try and get one more shot off the half court. The buzzer. Oh, he puts it in from half court. Carmelo Anthony knocks it down. Anthony bleeds in. That shot is good. Carmelo Anthony with the greatest scoring game in Knicks history. He's got 62. Carmelo Anthony, the 10-time NBA All-Star.
What's happening tonight? Oh, the game? There's only one prediction. He's gonna win. Basically.
Anthony for three. Yes! Driving down Anthony. Checked it emphatically by Carmelo Anthony. Knicks down three. Anthony for three. Bang! That one goes down, and the game is tied. Hands of Anthony. Anthony for three. Puts it in. Knicks by one with 8.2 remaining.
The reason why this man is about ready to move up into the top 10 of the all-time scoring list.
The man was born to score. Anthony. Bang! Carmelo looking to become number 9 all time. He's got it. Passes below.
You've been getting buckets since you were a little kid. What does it mean for you to now be ninth on the all-time scoring list, surpassing Moses Malone?
I mean, again, it's an honor. It's a blessing. The grind is worth it. The journey is worth it. I'm from where tomorrow's unpromised, so I got to enjoy every moment.
The best basketball player born in Oklahoma. Blake Griffin started out as a super explosive rookie all-star and later transitioned into becoming one of the most well-rounded players in the league. He had injury problems throughout his career, and it seems to finally take a toll on him in these past couple of seasons in the NBA.
This has to be the most underrated dangle in NHL 23. To pull this maneuver off, press RB if you're on Xbox and R1 if you're on PlayStation. Make sure that you tap the button lightly and push the analog stick in the direction that you want the puck to go. Combine this with other dangles and it can be great for confusing defensemen and goalies. A pro tip is that if you use this when you're on a penalty shot or a breakaway, your skater will actually skate much faster without the puck than with it, so it allows you to create the space between you and the defenseman. Let me know if you want any more NHL 23 tutorials and tag me in some clips of you guys pulling this dangle off.
Finds Struce back to Larry. There it is, three-pointer. Won't go. Rebound, Caldwell, poke. They're not going to foul. The Heat will let it play out. It's over. At last, the long wait is over. After 47 years, the Denver Nuggets can finally call themselves NBA champions.
So I get out of Colorado. We had it all, but what do I know? I tried to push away the sorrow, but today it's too late. I'll tell tomorrow. Drowning in my
On June 12, 2023, the basketball world watched the Denver Nuggets win their first NBA title in franchise history. A team that almost took a decade to build into championship form. So let's rewind a bit and take a look at how they got to this point. In the 2014 NBA draft, the Denver Nuggets pulled off a miracle by selecting Nikola Jokic with the 41st overall pick. The Joker really looked like the best player in the world during the postseason. He averaged a near 30-point triple-double and became the lowest drafted player to ever win a Finals MVP. The Nuggets continued to make the right selections on draft night since then, getting Jamal Murray in 2016 and Michael Porter Jr. in 2018 with the lottery picks they had. But starting in 2020, the Nuggets had a 3-year stretch of team additions which really transformed them into a championship caliber squad. Just listen to all of the players they were able to acquire during this time frame. Aaron Gordon and KCP were brought onto the team through trades. Jeff Green and Bruce Brown were signed during free agency, and Christian Brown was taken 21st overall in the 2022 draft. All of these moves made by the Nuggets this past decade led to them accomplishing something that has never been done in franchise history, an NBA championship. Huge congrats to the entire Nuggets organization for capping off their dominant season this year in the best way possible.